Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, we will take a look at the micro patterns here in a minute. Before we do that, like we do every sort of couple of days for XRP, I think it's worth taking a look at the bigger picture. Let's do that first to remind ourselves where we are. And the idea is this is a triangle, okay? I'm tracking an Elliott wave triangle here. Other interpretations might be possible. So if there is a direct breakout to the upside without this ongoing sideways action, then we might be dealing with an upside diagonal pattern. Okay, so it is technically possible. Wave 4 here, we talk about that. Okay, let's talk about that. But for now, I find the idea of an Elliott wave triangle quite compelling. The idea is that there are, because of the triangle, it indicates a balance of forces, right? And the balance of forces means we need a breakout first to really indicate the overall direction. But the thing is, here in this triangle, the overall situation allowed us to define a support region to which the price reacted. And in both of these wave counts, one triangle count allows for a downside breakout, the other one for an upside breakout. But in both of these scenarios, we were watching for a reaction to a support region, which has been on the chart for many weeks, or even months, actually. More than half a year, I think it's been on there. So XRP is testing our patience, and has been. Now at least it's the period again where XRP is moving a bit. The question is, could this now take us to that target zone, $1.26 and higher? Let's talk about the two scenarios. So in the first count, the price top in 2018 was a wave 1. And then this here is an ABC structure, A wave down, B wave, Elliott wave triangle, C wave down in a wave 2. From there, a third wave rally could start. The B wave is a sideways correction and consists of an A, B, C, D, E triangle. Here in this scenario, the thesis is we are moving in wave C of the Elliott wave triangle. And this was ideally going to send, or is ideally going to send us to around about $1.26 plus from the support region down here. Now in the other scenario, which is more bullish, we have an upside breakout scenario. In this scenario, the third wave topped here. It's just a different way of counting the chart. And then the entire sideways move is a wave 4 triangle, A, B, C, D, E. And then we would break out to the upside. This requires a break above $2.06 to really confirm. And we could get to, I don't know, $5 to $10 all-time high scenario. The question is if it can do that quickly enough before the bear market starts, the next bear market. I'm just questioning this, okay? But in the short term, we have to focus on what we see right now in the charts. And there was a support area here. And in both scenarios, whether we call it wave C in the white count or wave D in the yellow count, the idea was for the price to get into this area between $1.26 and $2. And then from there, we can then take it from there. And here, quick reminder, we see the move up as an A wave now, which is wave A of Y. And we might actually be forming 5 waves up. Quite interesting. Not yet formed 5 waves, so it's something to watch for. If we get 5 waves up, then the pullback could be an opportunity. The next one, the previous one was this zone. The next one could be the B wave pullback, and then a C wave rally from there. The opportunity could come up because if a 5 wave move up is unfolding, then pullbacks can be opportunities. The 5 wave move up indicates that the trend is up. Well, not the overall trend necessarily, but the trend at least here locally. 5 waves up just gives us clarity. A 3 wave move up could also mean the trend is up. It just doesn't give us that clarity. So that's what we're tracking here. Yes, there are more bullish scenarios, and this triangle idea will be invalidated with a break above $2.06. Well, what I'd like to see is, for an upside breakout, a D wave, then maybe another pullback and a breakout. Now, it is always possible if it surges straight away, well, then it was likely not a triangle. It could be, but again, the short term, it doesn't matter because the trend seems to be up. But it could be that maybe this is now a wave 5 that's unfolding already but wave 4 isn't a triangle, wave 4 bottomed here. It's not clear because this rally into the all-time high in 2021 was a 3-wave move. the move down was in 3 waves. The move up is now also corrective. So the triangle idea makes sense, but could always be, and that's where the context helps us, that this wave 5 is unfolding as a diagonal, and then we have a wave 1, a wave 2, we would get a wave 3, a 4, and a 5. Yeah, and this would be a diagonal, and this here is like an A, B, C. But then to confirm that, it needs confirmation through price action with a direct break above $2.06. I can tell you though that it would have to be very bullish. Okay, and this is a valid count. Okay, but I'm just saying it just needs confirmation through price action, and in the short term, it doesn't make any difference, because all of these scenarios point towards higher prices as long as, and there's always a condition, the support zone on the smaller time frame is holding at 42.6 cents. This is the support zone that allows us to focus on higher. In the very short term, as I said, the 57.3 cent level is even an even closer support level. That was an invalidation point of the direct move to the upside that allowed for a development of a 5th wave in that A wave I just showed you. So it looks today a little bit as if we are moving up higher in this 5th wave of the A wave. Quick reminder, what are we looking for here? Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Yeah, and ideally we would get 5 waves for clarity. And this could be, for example, 1, 2, and then like A, B, C in wave 3, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. To 70 cents or higher. 70, 74 cents wouldn't be unusual in a 5-wave move. Doesn't need to stop there, can always go higher, but ideally it doesn't necessarily break much above 74 cents in this scenario. Now, we said we can watch for this scenario as long as we're holding 57.3 cents. Any break below it would mean that the A wave already topped, but then only in 3 waves, and it would mean probably a more direct test of the support region down there, which is defined between 42.6 and 52.4 cents. But also from there, then it could attempt another rally. That's why I said, 42.6 cents is the key support that keeps us safe. In the very short term, it's 57.3 cents. Yeah, but today I think it's worth watching for a possible upside breakout of our range here. Tried to break out already, not yet sufficient, but could still do that. And then next FIB resistance is 65.8 cents and then the 70 cent mark. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.